A tight jaw can really jack up our face, and not many people know this, but a lot of times it will give us pain face, where everything crushes in and forward and sort of down and just makes us look way older and way more upset than we feel. So if you want to learn how to release your jaw and therefore release pain face, stay tuned. Hi all, Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 20 years, and the jaw is the axis of the face, and if it is overly tight, like it is in so many clients, so many people have this issue, and it's primal, right? You think about, you sit in traffic and you're grinding, or I'll even be working on clients and I'm grinding. I don't know if I'm trying to get done too fast, if I've got too many things I'm trying to fit into one facial. Guilty. We'll like hold our breath, we'll grind our teeth, and we don't even notice that we're doing this. And so how do we release our jaw? This is actually somewhat simple from the outside, and if I can't get it to release from the outside, I will go into the mouth to release it. But right now, let's just talk about the outside. So the jaw muscle, and I will start out just by doing sort of a fascia release move, which is very light for the outside. But this whole complex, this TMJ complex, can get overly tight. The way I will release it, I generally use a fascia release tool, but let me show you how to do it with just your hands. So part of this muscle comes up into the scalp and just like a fan, right? And so taking your knuckles and releasing this just right through here, you're going to use your knuckles almost like a gua sha tool. And it kind of helps to open your mouth first and see how much tension is on each side. One side is usually tighter than the other. So you'll do this, and then I'm going to mess up my hair. Oh, what do I even do my hair before these videos? So you'll be sort of raking through that fan. You're going to be doing a cross fiber massage of that fan of muscles, and just doing that should feel really good. And then through here, you want to grab, you're going to go right up underneath, so your bone is here, you're going to go right in front of like where this little divot happens in your ear, and you're going to pull this way. And I have makeup on my face, so I'm sliding, but you might want to get a little bit of gel, and this will feel really good. I will take a gua sha tool. This is just a little gua sha tool I use called the Anma, and this is probably the fastest way to release it. And in my clients, I go in, and actually I like to start out on dry skin just so people can see sort of the very light touch that's needed, and then you can go deeper, because if you go too deep, you're going to miss the superficial fascia. And the fascia is like this 3D spider web, and it can be restricted in any direction on any level. So if you go too deep, you're going to miss the top most of the more superficial fascia, and if you go too light, you're going to miss the deeper fascia. But what people generally do is go too deep too soon. They just dig. So, and then we'll go up here. We can do this guy. And what I'll do is I'll just do a complete a big C behind the ear with this guy, where I'm just doing circles. I knew I would mess my hair up. Oh, but man, this feels so good. It just gets that whole complex. And then I'll take it and straddle the ear. Oh, this really releases. I like to get up underneath here. Yeah, pretty simple. And then if you do a jaw check, you'll feel how much looser it is on one side. It's super simple. I will do part 2 where I go inside the mouth next time, and that is an even deeper release. So stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.